Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into Finding DIY, a fascinating new search engine dedicated entirely to DIY projects. It's like Google, but only for crafting, building, and making things. Exciting, right?
Absolutely. I'm already intrigued. So, what makes Finding DIY stand out from other search engines? Is it just a specialized search within existing DIY sites, or is there something more?
That's a great question. It's not just a simple aggregation. Finding DIY curates results from across the web, focusing on free DIY projects. Think of it as a highly specialized meta search engine, focusing on the quality and accessibility of the projects it surfaces. They've got categories for everything from Arduino projects and woodworking to embroidery and even cooking. It's incredibly comprehensive.
Wow, that's a broad range. I noticed they highlight trending searches, things like gravity-fed pellet stove and Shelly power strip. That suggests a real-time reflection of popular DIY interests, right?
Precisely. The trending searches give you a pulse on what the DIY community is currently focused on. It's a great way to discover projects you might not have even considered otherwise. And they've got separate sections for top searches too, which seems to focus on seasonal trends like Christmas DIY projects. Clever, huh?
Very clever. But how does the search functionality actually work? Is it just keyword-based, or does it use any advanced techniques?
From what I can gather, it's primarily keyword-based, but the way they curate results suggests a level of sophistication beyond a simple keyword match. They seem to prioritize free, high-quality projects, which is a significant advantage over just getting a random list of results from Google. I'd love to see them incorporate more advanced filtering options in the future, though.
I see. So it's a curated search, prioritizing free and high-quality results. That's a valuable service for DIY enthusiasts. What about the FAQs? Did they cover anything particularly interesting?
Yeah, the FAQs are pretty straightforward, but they do a good job of addressing common questions. They clearly state that the service is free, which is a big plus. They also define what DIY means, which is helpful for newcomers to the hobby. And they even provide links to beginner-friendly projects. Very user-friendly.
It sounds like Finding DIY is filling a real need in the DIY community. A dedicated search engine focused on free, high-quality projects is a smart idea. It's a great resource for both beginners and experienced DIY commuters.
Exactly. It's a well-executed idea, and the site's design is clean and easy to navigate. The inclusion of social media links and a clear About section also adds to its professionalism. Overall, a very impressive project. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Have a great day and happy DIYing.
Bye-bye.